Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to change the format of your iPhone camera from most compatible on in a high efficiency. So the thing that you have to do now is just go open your settings, and whenever you open the settings, go scrolling down until you find the camera. Hold on, I think I got too fast. And here is the camera. Now you just need to go click it to open it, and in the first row you will see a format, so you just need to go click it, and there will be a format for the camera capture. There will be two options, which are the high efficiency and the most compatible. So what is the difference between those? The iPhone already explains to you and give you the information is down here, so you can read by yourself. So the most compatible will always use the G page or H.264, and for the high efficiency is a format for the 4K at 60 fps and 1080p at 240 fps. So if you want to get the 4K quality, go choose the high efficiency, but then if you only want a normal one, go click the most compatible. So that's the way how to change the camera format from high efficiency or most compatible. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel guys, and I'll see you for the next video.